I got a package! Woohoo! Let's open this! Yes, yes, yes!
We got a package. Hey, welcome back to CheckouttheRileys.
Yay!
So today we're doing a
Unboxing?
unboxing. Yeah, we got something special in the mail today from a special person. We had planned to meet up with FDG when she's here in the Philippines. She's still here. However, her airline tickets to our area got canceled by the airlines.
Yes.
So she wasn't able to come down this way.
Yeah.
So instead, she had sent some stuff to us in a box. Don't know what it is. I know she had asked Merce if there was anything that we needed from the States or whatever. But again, don't really know what it is. But it's a nice big old box here. So we wanted to share. So we got a special box from FDG, so let's go ahead and open it while our dogs are being semi-quiet. Never know when they'll see a bird or something and go crazy. So I asked my wife for something to open the box, and this is what she gave me, a screwdriver. She's slow at opening a box.
Not as slow as you! Whoa! Guess what? Ta-da!
Wow, what is that?
Uh-oh, this one. One for you and one for me.
Wow.
Not back.
This is a food keeper. Wow, wow.
Wow.
Let's check it out. Sponge.
Wow, salabat.
Ooh, wow.
It's ginger tea. Oh, melatonin.
Yeah.
And Tylenol
Oh yeah.
for adults.
This is what the doctor ordered right there.
Primrose.
What is it?
That's for women.
I can't use it.
No,
Something number one, we are very thankful, FDG, your husband, the entire family. We wish we would have got to meet you in person, but there's always next time.
right.
Who knows what place we'll be in. This is some tape right here, boy.
Oh, Tylenol for kids.
Yes, Tylenol for
Ooh,
kids.
And
Wow, that looks like special sauce.
yeah.
I don't know what it is. As you see, we're always thankful to get some of those medicines from back home. They're harder to find here, and then if you do, they're so crazy expensive that they're out of our ballpark. Oh,
Whoa.
Marsha's favorite. She can never have too much.
Said sorry, Carl accidentally opened it. He didn't know it was for you. Ah, thank
It's
you.
okay, we'll drink it anyway.
Yeah. Thank you very much for the pasalubong, for the gift. We really appreciate it.
Very much. Thank you and Carl and the entire family. Thank you guys for watching this video. We are very thankful for anybody to even consider getting us anything. We're very humbled by it and very appreciative. something little, something big, whatever it is, we're very thankful. So, again, everybody, give a big shout out to FDG. What does FDG stand
Filipina Desert Gardener.
for? The gangsta of YouTube.
Yes.
She's also on TikTok, y'all. Go check her out. Hey, leave a comment. Thank her for us if you see her. Till next time, everybody. Check out the Rileys.